This is the easiest way how to install your Google Ads conversion tracking for your Shopify store. And it's completely for free. It will make sure that all the sales you get in your Shopify will be synchronized back in the right campaigns inside your Google Ads account. So you will track purchases, add to carts, initiate checkouts, and page view. Without further ado, let's dive right into my screen. So here we are in a brand new Google Ads account. Let me make sure to show you exactly where to implement everything. So the first step is actually to go to Shopify and install the Google and YouTube app. To save you some time, I've already went ahead and did so. So you install just your Gmail account that you have access to your Google Ads account, and from there it will connect your Google Ads account automatically. To show you exactly how things go, I will go to the settings. I will scroll down a little bit more until you see conversion measurement. If you click here on the drop down menu, you see several options, and the first one being conversion event settings. If you press there, you will see that all the steps that are being synchronized are also being sent to your Google Ads account. So to verify, we go back to the Google Ads account right here. On the left menu here, we go to goals, then we go to summary. Then we scroll down a little bit more and we see that the page view is integrated, the begin checkout, add to cart, and purchases. But this is not according to the best practices where we get actual results, because the only thing that matters for us as e-commerce store owners is actual sales and revenue, because that's where we make our profit. So we want to make sure that all the other campaign objectives are not being implemented. So you press open here. Then we go and make sure that everything is on secondary, which is fine. We press edit goal here. We click account default and then we turn this one off. We don't want page view to be an account default, because if you run campaigns, you want them to optimize for purchases and value accordingly. And we follow the same steps for begin checkout as well. We open it, we uncheck the box of account default, and then we save it. We also open the box here to make sure that this is on secondary, because only purchases will be primary for your account. Here is secondary as well, so that's all good. We just remove the account default goal right here. Then we press save. And then we select the box right here. We see that actually 2 purchases events are being fired. We just want a single one of them here. And since we are installing the Google and YouTube app, we can make sure that the other purchases that this client already have will be secondary as well. We don't necessarily need to delete it. So if you want to make it secondary, you press on the title right here. That opens a nice menu. Then you press edit settings. Then you go here to account optimizations and we press secondary. So now that's being done, we go back to goals, scroll down a little bit to verify if everything is all right. Yeah, now we see that the Google Shopping app purchases is the only one primary as well. And we don't need to forget this other one as well. So open it, we see it's on secondary, so that's all right. Then we press edit goal to finalize this account default setting as well here. And that is actually how you implement your Google Ads conversion tracking. And then the final thing what you need to double check is to go to goals and then to settings. We need to make sure that call conversions are being turned off, since we are an e-commerce store owner. We want to make sure that leads are being turned on, so we collect a lot of extra data being on Google tag, and then we save it. And we need to make sure that the Google enhanced conversions here is on Google tag as well. So that's what you can see here. It was already by default that way. And that will make sure that we are being optimized for the right data. So now that I have explained you step by step how to implement your Google Ads conversion tracking for your Shopify store, you actually see the hands-on experience what I have with Google Ads. So if you're a busy e-commerce store owner and you already have so many tasks to do and you don't want to focus on the Google Ads media buying, make sure to click on the link in the description to book a personal call with me to see if we are the right partner to scale your ads to the next level. After that, make sure to watch the recommendation video after this to see one of our case studies how we scale a client profitably to 85,000 euros per month with his fashion store. So you can follow the same roadmap for your e-commerce store. I see you there.